What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to replace folding latch here on Xiaomi Mi Scooter Pro. Actually, you see it has this issue, and it's actually a very common problem. When you just shake your wheel, shake your steering wheel, it becomes like this. And usually the issue is here. So actually this metal part is damaged, so you need to buy the new one. I will leave in the comments below the link where to order it on AliExpress. It's very cheap. But this time I order fully this part, folding part, so you can easily, let's say, replace it and then use it without any issue. So that's how it looks now. You see there is a huge gap and it's shaking inside, so actually the quality of it is a problem. And let's follow the steps one by one. What you need is actually to have some part to put your scooter on. So firstly, let's open it like this. Then you put it on a side here. That's what you need. And this part will be out. So although this part is for replacement, and you need a hammer here and something similar to such thing like I have. For example, like this, to move it out. So you will use a hammer to stick it out. So let me show you how to do it now. Okay, in my case it's getting a bit harder, so I use a screwdriver here. So I will use this automatic one and actually need to screw it inside. So I use the screw here, put it like this, set on maximum. So I use 3 millimeters. So actually you can already move it out, so you need to unscrew things here. Alright, the thing is finally out here, so you can see it that I've dismantled. Also we still have some part inside, need to move it out. Let's do it now. Okay, now we need to insert the new one, so let's do it. It should be a bit simpler than dismantle the old one. Use a hammer. You can install it directly here. Okay. So actually it's fixed here, you can see it. And then let's set it up. Let's set up the new one, close it. So that's it. As you see, it's perfectly looking, no luft at all, and working quite well. So let's do the test drive. So riding perfectly, no luft, no shaking, really great and nice. And working actually really perfect. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.